Residents in Las Vegas, Boulder City, or Lake Havasu City should avoid the Hoover Dam at this time. It is being reported that the dam is showing signs of a complete failure after a magnitude 4 earthquake struck the dam at least 15 minutes ago. You should monitor local media, commercial radio and television outlets, or news internet sources for more detailed information. Repeat, the Hoover Dam is showing signs of a complete failure after a magnitude 4 earthquake impacted it at least 15 minutes ago. Stay away.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nevada and Arizona State Emergency Managements. An evacuation advisory is in effect for portions of southern Nevada and western Arizona. The Hoover Dam is estimated to suffer a complete failure within 3 to 4 hours. This evacuation order is a notice, and is not mandatory. Repeat, this is not a mandatory evacuation order. This is a notice, and it should be taken as such. If you think your life is not in serious danger, you may either shelter in place, wait for an all clear, or wait for further instructions. If you actually believe that your life is in actual danger, and if you think that sheltering only puts your life in danger, you may evacuate in a swift, calm and orderly manner, without causing mass panic or injury to yourself and others around you. For evacuation instructions and shelter information, call the following number: 1-725-451-8105. Do not call this number if you are not evacuating. Information will be provided at www.fema.gov and at tem.nv.gov, or stay tuned for further information.
A dam watch is in effect for all areas within a close radius of the Hoover Dam. This includes the counties of Clark, Nye, and Lincoln in Nevada, Mojave, La Paz and Coconino in Arizona, and San Bernardino in California. A Level 1 evacuation statement is in effect for these areas. A Level 1 evacuation order means that you should prepare for either a Level 2 or a Level 3 evacuation. In the case that this Level 1 evacuation order is upgraded to a Level 2 order, an evacuation watch might be needed. 911 may need to be put out of service in this area due to this evacuation. Further information will be provided.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Listen to this message very carefully. If you have not done so, prepare to evacuate immediately for the best possible chance of survival. The Hoover Dam is on the verge of suffering a massive break in water. In the case that this happens, major-scale flooding will occur in many inland areas. Roads will become unpassable by most modern standards. Homes, schools, offices, mobile homes, gabled homes, cars, people, trucks, trains and sheds will be picked up and swept away by flowing waters. Farmland may be completely destroyed. At this time, you must prepare to evacuate the general vicinity of this area. Try to get as far away from the dam as much as you can. Repeat, attempt and try to get as far away from the Hoover Dam as much as possible. Stay tuned for further information.
Since 1942, I feel like I can fly. See the way I look used to it. set my music fire. Call on my brothers and ready to slide. Hold on quick, won't lose my mind. Yeah, but it's like that. He a pussy, I know he won't fight back. I get lost, he gon' ask for my mind died. I got movie clips, but like that I'm mad. If they hating on me, I won't write back. Grab the glick and I'm gonna be right back. And one day I won't care about the price tag. Cause I need it right now. Bitches, please help me out. Fuck with me, don't smoke loud. Yeah, need a little show hop in the crowd. She gon' ask what it's about. I just hope that you proud. Yeah, I just hope that you proud.
This is fucking stupid.
Evacuate. Evacuate. Danger. Danger. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California, Nevada, and Arizona State Emergency Managements. This bulletin is in effect for those within a great radius of the Hoover Dam, effective until 1:38 p.m. this afternoon. At this time, a Level 3 evacuation order is in effect for the affected area, as the Hoover Dam is showing signs of a complete failure. The dam, as quite legitimately stated by local authorities and state troopers, is cracking from its exterior, releasing gallons of water onto the soil. It can be officially confirmed that the dam is failing and breaking quite rapidly, and total flooding of up to 8 to 10 inches or higher is expected. Roads will be submerged, creeks, rivers, streams, ravines, and caverns will overfill and flood, and all types of homes, buildings, offices, and vehicles will be either swept away, crushed by the waves, or overturned. People will also be unable to keep their balance, and will most definitely succumb to fast-moving waters. If you are caught by the waters, either because you are evacuating by foot or outside, you will be unable to physically swim to the shore, and you may drown. No matter if it is cold or warm, water can easily kill you. Drowning only takes less than a minute, and by that point you are as good as dead. At this time, the only greater option is to immediately evacuate as quickly as possible. Do not evacuate by foot. You will drown and die. I repeat, absolutely do not evacuate by foot. You are endangering you and your family by doing this. Evacuating by foot during flood-related situations like this are heavily discouraged, and should only be used as a last resort option. The dam is expected to break within 1 hour, and flooding will be imminent within 2 hours. A final call alert will be issued just 15 minutes after the dam breaks to alert those about the impending floods that will result. Repeat, the Hoover Dam is on the verge of failing, and flooding is now likely. Get out of this area immediately. This station will be ceasing transmission in 2 hours. Get out of this area now. Your life depends on it. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. This is a final call announcement to anyone remaining in Clark County, more specifically to those either in Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas, Mesquite, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Apex, Arden, or Boulder City. At approximately 12:45 p.m., the Metropolitan Police along with Emergency Management have confirmed reports and sightings of immediate hurricane to tsunami, like flooding throughout much of the area of Clark County. The Hoover Dam is absolutely destroyed, and chunks of it are flowing in the water. Power is also out, due to the floodwaters knocking down power lines, frying up and detonating transformers, electrifying the waters further. Unfortunately, you will be unable to obtain any help whatsoever, as emergency services have either disbanded in this area, or have been strained completely. This area is an absolute hellscape, and it will take years for this county to be rebuilt, with it taking even longer for the Hoover Dam to be back to where it initially was. Both NOAA radio stations WNG 634 and WXL 36 are also gone too. At this point, absolutely nothing can be done to save whatever time we may have. Flooding will be imminent outside this area within 45 minutes. No newer information can't be provided, so remain vigilant for an all clear.